that I Hey guys, good morning everyone, and happy Sunday. Happy Sunday to you all. See his mouth. See his mouth, see his mouth, see his mouth, see his mouth. Happy Sunday. It's a beautiful day again in our life in Africa, Nigeria, in our village life. We spend the day with us as we make our Sunday rice. You know, especially in Africa, Nigeria, in a Christian homes like this, it's almost, like a, how will I put it, that every Sunday there must be a rice. Yeah, there must be a rice. As you can see, I'm getting ready, preparing my phone before I will go. I'm going out, so I need to do it this early morning. Not early morning, so it is about past 9 now p.m. So I've already made my stew yesterday. So I cooked my stew yesterday. That means I'm not going to spend a lot of time. What I will just do is just cook the rice. How is the thing so? They are ready to go. So stay tuned to the video. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. If you are seeing my video for the first time, don't forget to comment, like. Okay, please, as you are watching, please do well to like, so YouTube will also help me push the video out. Okay, please, I beg you all in the name of God. Yeah, I have views as a new YouTuber growing. I'm very grateful. Getting 100 views, 200 views is not irritating. And as a new YouTuber, me getting that kind of views, that means I'm growing, I'm heading somewhere. So I appreciate every one of you that's watching my video. I really appreciate it. Please, you can also do well by subscribing. Yeah, and you can also do well by liking the video and also commenting on the comment section, so that YouTube will be able to help me to push the video out. Please, I'm begging. My knees are on the ground. Okay, please guys, help me do it. Okay, please, as you are watching the video, please just click the like button, simple, and like the video. Okay, and also please comment any kind of comment. Well done, oh, good job, oh, you understand? Simple. Okay, you don't need to go long process. Good job, good day, all these kind of comments. Good job, keep it up. So by doing this, YouTube will also help me be pushing the video out. Okay, so stay tuned to the video. Now I'm going to wash the rice. So the last time I show you guys how I wash my rice. Yeah, as usual, this is local rice. I don't have money and I cannot afford the foreign rice, so I have to go for the local one, the one that is sand and small stones inside. So I'm going to be washing it the way I wash it, to separate the stones from the rice. Understand? So if you're eating, you won't be eating stone. That means that person will damage the teeth. So I don't want that. Okay, so I have to wash it the way I wash it, with the things I used to wash it, so there will not be stones. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. My baby, he has to go and bring this thing for washing the rice. So this is the thing I use. Daddy, come here, come like this. So this is the thing I use to wash my rice. As you can see, immediately I mentioned washing rice, he went inside to get it for me. Good boy. High five. High five. Daddy, high five. It's just in shakara for me. This one shakara na 5 and 6. So guys, stay tuned to the video, okay? Yeah. I say high five. You're doing shakara for me. High five. Jehovah wisdom. Siapa kwa Jehovah wisdom. Akwa kwara ho. Kintiri Jehovah wisdom. Akwa kwara Jehovah wisdom. Akwa kwara Kintiri Jehovah wisdom. So guys, I'm washing the rice. So washing it already. So you know this local rice, some people are afraid of buying it because of the way, because of the sand and stone inside. Understand? Yeah. Some people are afraid of buying it. Some people don't even eat it at all at all. You understand? And don't do that. Don't do that. You pour that water away. So instead of eating, why not look for the trick? You know, the way you just prepare your thing and eat your thing. Because if you don't do that, it's not everyone can afford foreign. Yeah. The money that you use and buy, a lot of money that you use and buy this one, foreign rice, I think you use and buy this one times 2 or times 3. You see the difference there, right? Yeah. So the difference are much. The difference are much. The money you use and buy foreign rice, you use it and buy this one times 2 or times 3. Understand? So at this economy day like this, we are going for the quantity, not quality anymore. Fresh from here now. Understand? So a lot of families are going for the quantity, not quality anymore. So if you're looking for quality, that means you have the cash. If you don't get cash, then you go for quantity. That is life for you. Understand? So life is so simple and easy. So now people know understand. They say cut your coat according to your size. Don't do that. Yes, why are you like this? Why are you like this? Fresh from here, let me do this in front first. Akwa kwara Jehovah wisdom. Akwa kwara Jehovah wisdom. See akwa kwara Jehovah wisdom. Naninya, you want to go to Naninya? Yes, I'm done washing the rice. Akwa nke kwara Jehova wezabụ. Akwa nke kwara. So I'm adding salt. I like using salt to cook my rice. Now I'm going to pour it. The water has boiled already. Pour this one. So guys, I'm done washing the rice and let's allow it to cook. Stay tuned to the video, okay? English. I do care. Fight. The hard. That's what you